In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the inbox in HubSpot CRM. With this guide, you'll be able to navigate your HubSpot inbox with ease, tapping into its features to manage communications effectively. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or looking to fine-tune your skills, this walkthrough will serve as a handy resource. To get started, you'll first need to log in or sign up for HubSpot. If you already have an account, just enter your details to access the platform. If HubSpot is new to you, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Having access to HubSpot is essential, as it will be your platform for managing interactions with customers, prospects, and teams. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the CRM section on the left sidebar menu and click on Inbox. This is your central hub for communications, a place where you'll streamline and keep track of all your customer interactions. The Inbox feature is vital for staying organized and ensuring no messages fall through the cracks. HubSpot inboxes are highly versatile because they connect to a variety of communication channels. This includes email, chat, forms, social media, SMS, and even calling. By integrating these channels into your HubSpot inbox, you can manage all of your customer communications in one place. This not only saves time, but also enhances your ability to respond promptly and maintain a cohesive customer experience across multiple touchpoints. Think about how convenient it is to have everything centralized. Now, managing conversations within your inbox doesn't just mean reading your messages. There are tools at your disposal to enhance your workflow and collaboration. You'll be able to view emails and messages at a glance and then easily reply to them right within the platform. If a message is more suited for another team member, you can assign it to them quickly, ensuring it reaches the right person. Comments allow you to add notes and share thoughts internally, adding another layer of communication with your team. Plus, there's a forwarding option if you need to share a conversation outside the platform. To further streamline your work, you can set up custom views. These allow you to filter and organize your conversations according to your preferences and needs, ensuring that you see the most important messages first. This feature is especially useful for prioritizing tasks and staying on top of ongoing conversations without being overwhelmed by your inbox traffic. With just a bit of time and practice, you'll find navigating HubSpot's inbox to be an invaluable part of your daily routine, enabling you to manage and maintain clear, efficient communication with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident in using your HubSpot